my name is Mr. Yousaitis and I'm a Year 4 teacher at the By Heights Academy. For more educational videos, please subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you. So one of the first things and main important points I'd like to raise is allowing the children to be collaborative, allowing for effective communication, and that links in with how the tables are set out and where you allow the children to sit, mixing personalities and things like that. Because not only do the children need to learn from yourself as a teacher, but also their peers as well. Peer assessment is one of the huge factors from within the classroom. Clutter is one of the main problems in a classroom. As you can see in the classroom around me, we've tried to keep it to a minimum, but not only get rid of it, we need to help people out. And that allows for our working walls, but one of the main things is our tables from our organisers. So one of the things I made sure I brought into my classroom is one of these per table. So it's to make sure that the children don't have little meetings at the bin every 10 minutes, just when they get a little bit bored. Handheld sharpness, so they can't remove from the table. Another essential tip I think I could give a new teacher, or even a teacher that's been teaching for 10 years, is the importance of a reading corner. Not only does it allow the children a kind of space to get away, to relax when they've completed a piece of work, maybe even completed their challenge, but also a place to relax and just engross themselves in a reading book. So what I've done over my career is I've collected any book walking into a bookshop and I see something that maybe a child would like. Never mind, it doesn't have to be in my year group, could be in another year group or something like that. And we have, I think I must have around 300 books just to allow the children to escape in their own free time. So my next tip would be the importance of working walls. So in some classrooms, teachers decide to just do displays of pieces of work and things that they would like to show off. Amazing. What I like to do is give a lot of feedback on the walls themselves. So as you can see, possibly on my board over there, we'll do a bit of work in the lesson and then straight away on a working wall. So it's not forgotten about. It's not something that's done on an interactive whiteboard that we have to dig up if the children decide they need it. It's something that's visually there for us. And another little separate thing I like to do is we create questions on the working wall, and I stick a post-it note pack onto there. So if the children feel they have any tips that they've learnt over the weekend that could help me as a teacher or as our teaching assistant, or even the children in the classroom, they can feel free and put it up. So one of the final tips, or one of the important things I find from my own classroom, is it's the place where your children, your pupils, spend most of their day, whether it be 6 to 8 hours. So making it feel safe, making it feel like a home environment, making it feel like it's part of their place, not just the teacher's classroom. So allowing the children to bring their personalities, from painting their own faces around the classroom to having their own work, having their own workspaces. And yeah, just making it feel safe and kind of like a second home for each and every child in the classroom. So these are just some points that I thought I'd get the opportunity to share. Obviously every teacher is different. If you feel like any of these things helped you, then please leave a comment below and let me know if it's helped you at all. Thank you very much.